You know guys, when you're working in the city and every day you see the train, you see the buildings, once in a while you have to reconnect with nature and you will be amazed, you will be relaxed. Like, oh my, so peaceful, so quiet. I'm the only one talking. I think I'm gonna come here again next week and I'll bring lunch so we can have picnic. Hey, I love that. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eve and in today's video, it's not uploaded yet. We're here at Amokyo Park. It's just so nice. It's so greenery. I love it here. And I just filmed one video and I hope I can upload that as fast as I can. Enjoy the view. Nice. See the tree? You're in Singapore and you see the wild boar. What? Wild boar in Singapore?
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new.
Hello guys! So ayun, nandito kami sa kabilang park. This is the extension of the Amokyo Vision Park. And I was never been here before. And this is my first time. And I'm just so amazed. And this is very nice, very pretty. It's like I'm not in Singapore. It's like I'm in the US or something, or UK or something. You know, it's nice to reconnect with nature, and you see all these kind of trees. It's like, oh my goodness, it's so nice. I want to stay here every weekend already. Yeah.
And I care what people think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. Will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of school loans and treehouse homes, we always
very loud because the place is so quiet, and you see how beautiful it is. So many lilies and the flowers are blooming. This place is so freaking nice. I think if you're in Singapore, you better come here. This is in Amokyo.
Sometimes a certain smell will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from? I'd make a candle out of it.
Okay, so we're now going home and we stumbled upon this HDB block 246 Amokyo Avenue 3. It's so freaking quiet. Like, I think this is abandoned already. Nobody lives in this HDB because the staircase has been locked. You see there's a ping pong court right there. I think this has been a long time ago already, right? So we're now heading to the bus stop. Nice. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit thumbs up. See you soon.
Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. identify where it's coming from. I'd make a candle out of it if I ever found it. Try to sell it, never sell out of it. I probably only sell one. Maybe to my brother, cause we have the same nose, same clothes, homegrown, a stone's throw from a creek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take a ladder. My name's Blurry Face and I